Password, text, number, password. All three will come in one line. One more we have, we can write email, input type equal to email, input type equal to email. If you want to capture some alphanumeric input from user, we can use the type equal to text. It will take text also, number also, a special character, everything. Type equal to number will take only number. Type equal to password will take only password, can be anything, alphanumeric, special character, less than and all. Next, email, type equal to email. Email will also take email ID, any ABCD alphanumeric A to Z alphanumeric, it will take special character, but at the rate is required. Where? Under the email. We will be learning when we come for the form validation. We will see that. Check once, all are filled in the same line on your line. These all are for input element and inline. Input element as well as inline element. Right. Next, after this, so using this all, we can take the different type of input from user. Here we can take some kind of with at the rate something like this. Next, we will write call text area. Text area. Text area. Text area. Now right here called text area open, text area close. This is for multi-line input. Text area open, text area close. So this number, the text what you have written first, you cannot press the enter key in that. This number also will not allow to press the enter key. Password will also be single line. Email also single line. But the text area will be multi-line, where we can enter the value in multi-line. What is that single line multi-line? Look at here. Suppose I went to my page and I enter here the name. ABC enter. It will not go to where? New line. It will remain in the same line. Number. Also if we enter here, press enter key, it will not go to the new line. So these all are called single line element. Single line element, where you can enter the value in one line. You cannot enter the value in multiple lines. But when we come to the text area, we can enter the value in multiple lines, manually also or automatic also. Even we have property to resize this, to increase and decrease the rows and column, we can make like this. So come here, increase the width using the calls property. Calls property called calls, using that we can increase the width of text area. Call suppose 40 are given. Rows will increase the height. ROWS. Rows equal to somewhere 675. Write anything. Check now. The text area will be ready to take multiple line, and height will be more, and width will be also more. Okay, written which property? Calls for what purpose? To increase the width. Rows for what purpose? To increase the height. It is going to look like this. Okay, next after this, use the H3, keep inside. Use the H3, keep inside for file upload. On internet, when you write an email, you upload the file. In Facebook, you upload the photo. In Instagram, you upload the photo. So using this element, input type equal to file. Input type equal to file. It will give you option of browse. Okay, hope ready. Check now. Are you getting the file option, browse option? Choose file option will come something like this. Choose file. From here we can browse and we can choose any kind of file. And if upload functionalities are added, then it will allow you to upload. Come now, write next H3. Next H3 called select. Select and option. Select an option. Select an option. You will add there. Select open. Select close. inside that option, choose city. Choose city. Next option, whichever the value you want for the user, you can add here. So there will be option of choosing the option. Save it. Okay, hope ready. Check now. So look like this. When we click in that, drop down option appear. That is called choose. Select. Have the option and select option and select. These all are the basic syntax. It has auto property. We are going to see in the next example. H3 you write. Next call checkbox. Checkbox. How to create the checkbox? For that we have input type equal to check box. Input type equal to checkbox. Apple. Mango. Then is it now? Okay, so ready. Check now. 3 checkbox will appear in one line. While filling the form, while collecting the input from user, we can use the checkbox. We can use next S3. That is radio button. Radio. input type equal to the radio female okay hope ready. You can select both as of now. So we should be, it should be where only one should select by user. Property we have, we can add the property here, name property. Add the name property, give the common name, any name we can give, it should be common. Any name you can give, should be common name. Gender. Okay, now are you able to select multiple? It will not allow because name is common name. So it is the old question that people used to ask in interview, how to make a radio button in such a way where user can select only one. So for that answer is give the different value and give the common name. We are given the common name called gender, name equal to gender. If the name is common, browser will not allow to select multiple, but value should be different. But for female, the value should be maybe anything. This value can be 1 to MF, anything, not fixed value. Your wish, what you want to store in database. So for male, we are storing 1, and for female, we are storing as a 2. Value should be different, whereas name can be same. Okay, hope ready now. Come next. After this, we have anything pending? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10th number was button. Okay, so we can add few buttons below. Not a button directly, H3 you can add first. Add a heading for buttons. You have one button. It has a type equal to button. Without JavaScript, it will not do anything. Without JavaScript, this button will not do anything. Another one we have button only, but type is different. Submit. It will work with JavaScript also, and it will work without JavaScript also. It will work with JavaScript and it will work without JavaScript. Next, after that, we have one more button. Type equal to paste it. This you can keep as a submit button. Button. Submit button. Hello. Am I audible? No. Okay. So how many buttons? 3 buttons. But this button will not be functional as of now. It is just only for the sample. Button will not be functional. It is only for the sample. Okay. So next, after this, we have to arrange this all properly in the next example, and we need to apply some property and values to make it more better and well organized, well aligned. So how many input element we have as of now? Text, number, password, email, text area, file, select, checkbox, radio button, and then 3 type of button: submit, reset, and button. Okay, whichever the form you have filled till date on internet, everywhere you have used these properties. You have used this property. Using CSS, we can change the look and feel, we can change the height, weight, we can change everything, but property remain, the element remains same, the tag remains same. Okay. So if you have written create next file, page1.html, in that folder, input element folder. Okay, next file page1.html. In the same folder, input element folder, page1.html. Don't give a space while creating the file name. While giving the file name, don't write a space, write together. Okay, page1.html. Start from HTML. Then after follow the body tag directly. Under body tag, you can use called table. Within the table, you can use a tr. Now for table, you can keep some align. Should be in the middle. Cell padding should be 1.5. Next, you will follow the TD. You will write a href equal to href equal to current file name. Example page1.html. Then after that, right here example 1. Okay, now this line will copy paste 5-6 times. Example 1, example 2, example 3, example 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. This should be 3, then 4, then 5, 6. You have to change the file name also. Page5.html, page6.html. So this many pages will create for form related example. You will get idea on multiple property values. Okay, hope ready. Next, after this table is end. After this table, open a form tag and close the form tag. Form tag open and close. Okay, inside the form, open one more table. close the table. This table will be aligned in the center. And cell padding keep somewhere 1.5 again. Then use a caption. Under the caption, use the H1. There you can write contact us. Okay, hope you're ready. Now come down. After caption, write a TR. There you follow the TH. Full name. Heading as a full name. After that, one more TD where you will create the text box. Input type equal to text. Input type equal to text. Add one more TR. There you will add one more TH. Mobile number. Next TD. Input type equal to number. Check this much. The page should look well aligned. Okay, run this file example one. Look like this. Multiple links on the top and below you have one. Two text boxes. We'll add two more. Add one more TR. There you can add a TH. Email ID. Next TD. input type equal to email. Okay, we'll add one more tr for message purpose. Your query message. td text area, open text area, close. For this, write the rows equal to 5 rows, calls equal to subnet 3040. The text area will come little big size text area. Okay, let's save now. See how that look. Just look like this. Next, we'll create one button. We'll add one more tr. Under the tr, we'll add one th. Call span 2 we have written because in the previous all the columns tr, all the tr you can see there is a double column thtd, thtd, thtd everywhere. So in this we'll not add the two column, only one column is required. We given call span 2. So one column will take the space of two column and button will come in the middle. Send the message. After that, one more call, clear all. Send message will have different type. Type equal to submit, and here type equal to reset. Okay, hope ready. Two button got ready. Submit and reset. Submit and reset. Let me know in the chat once your page also looks similar or something else. And let me know via chat. Just working, not working. In that folder, right? Four, five, six, seven, nine, 44 again. Folder clear. Open browser. Kalpana, Jyoti, Rahul, Neha, Omkar, Satya, Anand. And then who else is missing? Virendra has not right. Okay, so hopefully your page look like this. Now next, after that, we have to create the next page. I will explain you this form tag, okay? But not today, in next class. By then you will become little more idea. So now what we will do is, you will come to the next example, that's called page 2.html. So first you copy this much. till table, first table you copy and paste in the next file, paste in the new file, copy till here, till first table, copy till here and paste in a new file. Again save the file, give the file name page2.html, 2.html. Body you need to close, HTML is close. Okay, so created the second file. Table is closed, body is closed, HTML is closed. After table, write the next form tag only, open and close. Next, write inside that form tag, open close. Next, we'll open a table. Inside the table again, you can write here align as a center and cell padding 10 or 15 is okay. Okay, write the TR, follow the TH, email, ID. Next, after that, TD, input type equal to email, and type equal to email, password, input type equal to password, next write a caption, H1 you can add here, sign in, write it one more TR, follow a TH, call a span equal to 2, button, call login. After this login button, one HR tag you can add, put color equal to white color equal to green color, size equal to 1. So it will create one horizontal line from beginning to last, and color of that line will be in green color. Okay, operative. Now write here a href equal to next file name page3.html. You can write here call new, then register. New, then register. Button type login. Button type right here submit or anything. Button type equal to submit, you can add, or button also you can add SCBMID. If you not write any type, by default will be submit. By default will be submit. Type equal to submit. Now see, second page look like this. It has a button called new and then called register. So hope second page also looks similar. Create next file, page3.html. Is here. Similar. Okay. Then go ahead. Next one. One more file we have, page3. You can create one more page3.html. Page3.html you can create. Page3.html. Page 3 is ready. You can take the copy of page 2. Take the copy of page 2. Take the copy of page 2. Okay, we have taken the copy of which page? Page 2. Next, after this, sign in, change to sign up. Sign in, change to sign up. Below login button, change to register. Okay, change to register. After doing that, change to register. After doing that, here it will come as a registered, then login, or maybe register, register, ALRER, already, then login, go to the page 2. Register already, page 2, go to the page 2. Okay, so what will happen now? If a user will click on register already login, then it will go to the where? Previous page. From previous page, they will come to the next page. But in this field page, you can ask one more thing, at least name of the user. Add a tr, follow the th, full name. Td, text. Okay, provided. We can check it, how that look. Page number 3, registered already. Then go to the login, new, then go to the sign up. In register where you can add one more field in the last address box. After password, add one more tr, th, full address, td, text area, calls equal to 40, rows equal to 78, divided 40 is more, then reduce little, 35 for 30. That is okay. In your WhatsApp group, I have sent you the assignment set 5. URL is same, in that set number 5 is there. Form related. You can do that today. In that 4-5 pages are there. Forms related, you can try that. Many people have not posted sent yesterday. Let me see in the group. One has posted. Yesterday in the Anand, you send the assignment as a photo. See how other people are posting. A screenshot. You have to send the assignment as a screenshot. Yesterday set number 6, no one have tried. Very good. Set number 5. See, assignment is a backbone for you. If you do that, you will get a lot of confidence. Should not feel it's optional work. Let's keep it as a compulsory work. Okay, it has many things that confidence will come up. Okay, okay, then see you tomorrow again. Tomorrow is a Saturday. Saturday or Friday? Saturday. So that's set number 6 and set number 5. Leave that. Try remaining other.
And even the body page image to the camera center. How to
Center tag you can use.
even the
Keep in center tags. See table how I have kept in form tag. Similar way, center tag open, center tag close, and everything right inside the center. Something like this. Something like this. Center open and center close. Okay. Now whatever you will write inside, everything will come where? Under the center. This way. Okay. Then see you tomorrow. Not tomorrow, Monday. Monday, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow, you need to sit and do